In this video we show how to install the desktop security system. After removing the feet off the desktop, we check to see the size is correct. As you'll note, on the top and bottom of the unit there are 4 large holes and 4 smaller holes only on the top. Turn the desktop upside down and place the security base on the bottom side of the computer. Remove the side panel off the desktop so that you can align up the security device. Make sure the security device is flush towards the back and centered down the middle. This will prevent it from wobbling. With the sharp end of the socket probe, make a small scratch where you're going to drill the holes. The holes must be drilled dead set center. Use this tool to scribe small scratches in the paintwork so that you can see where you're about to drill. It's worth using a highlighter to highlight where you're going to drill to make it easier to see, as the scratches can be quite small. Using the appropriate safety gear, we use a 10mm drill piece and an electric drill to drill the 2 holes. Sometimes it may be easier to drill a smaller pilot hole first. Be sure not to drill too deep into the unit, as you may damage some computer componentry. When lifting the unit back up, it's important that no shavings end up inside the laptop. It's best to brush these out. Now for the assembly of the unit. We place the base unit the correct way down so that we can place the desktop on top of it. Pull apart the fasteners so that they are in 2 pieces. The bolt gets dropped in from the top and slides in from underneath. With the desktop the correct way round, we can now show how the fasteners are inserted. Place the small fastener inside the computer with the bolt dropped in it. Place the nut inside the socket probe, and then place the larger fastener over the socket probe. Now line up the socket probe with the bolt and fasten it. Do this for both holes. The fasteners only need to be hand tightened until firm. With an anchor already in the ground, the desktop unit is easy to install. All it requires is a padlock and the locking plate. The locking plate is put over the anchor, and then the padlock is put through the loop. Access to the padlock is limited, only enough to get the key in, making it virtually impossible to be removed without the key.